Introducing the drying and pressing Flatwork ironing machine, single roller, designed for hotels, hospitals, healthcare facilities, commercial laundries, resorts, and linen service providers. In this machine, the bedsheet is fed from the front, where advanced ironing technology delivers smooth, wrinkle-free, and professional finishing. Powered by turbo heating technology, it helps save up to 30% power while maintaining efficient and consistent performance. The self-alignment and booster heating system ensures uniform finishing, while variable speed control allows the machine to handle different types of fabrics effectively. After pressing, the finished linen is received from the rear side, making the entire operation smooth, continuous, and productive. With its heavy-duty construction, safe controls, and easy operation, this machine is built for reliable industrial use. Perfect for bedsheets, duvet covers, pillowcases, tablecloths, towels, and other flat linen. Dry faster, press better, improve productivity with reliable Flatwork ironing technology.